Today we're doing my very, very favorite blow dryer that I got on Amazon. So number one, I love how long the cord is. So I'm gonna plug it in and then show you, like I can walk all the way over to my closet and like be looking in my closet while I'm blow drying my hair. So I love the long cord. This is how like loud it is. It's really not that loud, which I really like. And then it has a couple of settings. So it has the really cold setting, medium heat, and then high heat, and same with the speeds of it. It's super lightweight. It's very easy to clean. On the back here, you can see it. I need to clean mine out a little bit, so it's easy to clean. The pressure is so good. I've seriously had this for so long because I love it so much. It's such a good buy. You should definitely check it out.